Welcome back everyone. Page not available. Your IT admin has limited access to some areas of this app is again a very common problem that comes while opening Windows security on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you have the same problem like me, then apply the 3 simple steps and the problem will be fixed. So first you have to click on OK. Then you can close it. Next, click on your Windows search. Type Windows Security. Right click on the Windows Security and choose App Settings. Now here you'll find the option of Terminate. Click on it once. Then below you'll find the Reset option. Click on Repair. And then click on Reset. Once done, you have to close it. Now you also need to make sure that you're not using any other kind of third-party security. So what you can do, click on the system tray icon at the right-hand corner. And if there is any kind of third-party antivirus like Malwarebytes, McAfee, Avast, anything is running, then you will have to disable them. But if this is not a problem, then next, click on your Windows search. Type Registry. Right-click on the Registry editor. And then click Run as Admin. Click on Yes. The Registry editor will be up. Now here from the left-hand menu option, you will have to click on HKey Local Machine. Then look for Software, double click on it. In the software, you have to look for Policies. Here it is. Double click on Policies. Then you will find Microsoft, double click on it. And in the Microsoft, you will find Windows Defender. So make a right click on it and choose Delete. Click on Yes. Now you can close it. And now in the final step, click on your Windows search. Type GP Edit. You will be getting Edit Group Policy. Click on it. The Group Policy Editor will be up. Now in case if you get any kind of error message while opening the group policy, then probably you are using Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition. Then for that, you will have to watch another video that how you have to enable this option. The link will be in the description. You can check that out. So from the Group Policy Editor, under Computer Configuration, you will have to click on Administrative Template. Then from the right-hand side, you have to look for Windows Component. Double click on it. And then you have to look for Windows Security. So scroll down. And at the bottom, you will find the Windows Security. Double click on it. Then you will find Virus and Threat Protection. Double click on it. And here you find Hide the Virus and Threat Protection area. Double click on it again. This will bring up another box. Now if it's been selected to enable or disable, you will have to choose it to not configured. Once selected, click on Apply. Click on OK. And now you can close it. And now finally, in order to update the group policy, click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, choose Run as Admin, click on Yes. The black window will be up. Now here you have to type GP update /force. Hit the enter key. Now this will be updating the policy that we have just changed. And once it says completed successfully, you will have to close it. Now let's open the Virus and Threat Protection again and see if the problem has been fixed or not. Okay, I can see the Virus and Threat Protection. If I click on Manage Setting, so everything is good to go. I can enable and disable it. Now in case still if you have the issues, then you will have to go ahead and restart the computer. So that's all guys for today. And if this fixes your problem, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.